Bro, why is everyone grabbing me, bro? Get off me! What's good, YouTube LT, and welcome to Resident Evil Chainsaw Demo. Yes, I am wearing a bib. Don't worry about that. I just thought I'd do it. So, most of you guys would be in this video because you want to know who this... I left you guys on a cliffhanger in episode 1. You guys go check it out. There is some chick bird busting our door open right now. I got no bullets in the gun. I've only got a knife to my hand. Let's get it. Oh my good. Thank God. There was no way I could have taken them 3 on. Leon, if he throws the axe, this guy is crazy. Leon is so cool, man. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this guy is cool. What's the bridge, Snap? Okay. Wow, so we really ain't leaving, bro. Doesn't matter who's out here. We're looking for this president's daughter. We don't... Fear is an illusion. Gimme! Only 12. Oh, you gotta be kidding me, bro. Bro, I hate these freaking houses. What's this? I can't read it. Bro, this game is long. Run outside. Okay, the sun's coming out. Oh my gosh. If you're a vegan, yeah, you would just pass out if you was here. Anyone in here? Wanna say hello? Oh, 20. Just give me like 50. I'm chilling. Reload. Okay. We got 10s. Can I go there? Please snap that open. Give me that ammo. Whatever that is. What, European coins? Oh! I can't even slash him. This guy's got a whole 4. Alright. Headshot. Okay, run in. Oh! What do I need gunpowder for? Look at that guy. What the freak? This guy. Put the freak down. Guys, that damage we just took was not even funny. Guys. Oh. I don't even know if I'm safe to even look at myself. Is Leon even human? This guy, oh, we're gonna die, bro. We're gonna die. He is not human.
Damn it.
He is not human. I refuse. He was trained. Leave! I can't play this game. How do I parry? Fall! You're telling me Leon is human? Nah, he must have some insane regeneration or something. That was scary. No, that other guy that just attacked me out of nowhere. But we need a med. Look at our health. 1 hit and we're out. We're gonna join the president's daughter. Medkit, please. Medkit. Okay, yeah, we are not running there. Nope. I don't see no daughter. I see a chicken. No. Oh my gosh, Leon. Don't die. Please, no more crouch. Someone's getting mauled. I just heard a woman nearby. Guys. Green hub, what did I do? Bro, open your tab. Medkit, is that medkit? Give me. How do I use it? Thank you. Ooh! We got 2 guns in the chamber, bro. And then we have to reload. Look at us standing upright and everything, bro. That's Leon, bro. What's in there? What's in there? Gunpowder. What would that be for? I'm so, bro.
Here we go.
1 bullet. Freaking hell. Oh!
Shit.
Reload, you freshie. Bro, look at what I got. You can say that to the head. I don't even need to. Oh my gosh.
Shit.
Slash, bro. Bro, if this brother doesn't slash. Guys, we have full bullets. Oh my gosh. Get off me! Beware! Leon. Oh my god. I'm running. Look at this woman! Bro. I'm out. I'm out. If there's a dead end, that would be so sad. But I don't know where I'm going. Leon, this is the worst time to run out of stamina right now, bro. Sit the frick down, bro. But I've got 1 more bullet, bro. What the? Oh my. I can't slash. Guys, it's over. I can't slash. I'm getting punched. There's like 17 people around me. What just happened? Even. Just throw a chainsaw. Who's this guy? Scarecrow? Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Guys, we're so dead. I don't know why I can't slash. If I press tab. Look at him. Guys, where's tab? Okay, I pause the game when I tab. It broke. I'm dead. Guys, it broke. I don't even know how to get out of this. Guys, it broke. How can that be repaired? Look at the dead. Oh my god. Broken ankles. You're in that chainsaw behind me right now. Weave. You know what? Just kill me at this point. Chainsaw man, just come make it quick. Just make it quick. I'm dead. No! Never give up. Never. Hang on! Look at this chainsaw man swinging. Get off me! Okay, we've got 10 bullets, guys. This guy mocked it. Stop! Bro, why is everyone grabbing me, bro? Get off me! What can I do in that situation, please? No, guys, let's talk. Because okay, we're back here. Wait, why is my health not resetted? Oh my days, my last save. Oh, they mocked it over that. They actually mocked it. You can't even go that way, bro. Come on. Okay, I can slash. My slash has a health bar. This is so dumb. What can I do to get out of this situation? Guys, we need to look around. What's it? I need 2 people to get up there. Okay. What would this green herb be used for? Tap. Small amount of health. Craft. Okay. Let's keep that on this. We need... Look at that lady. I don't think we saw her last time. Oh my gosh, there's a whole lady over here. Okay. Head. Okay, melee. Hand grenade? How do I use that? They're behind me, by the way. How do I use that? Tap. Tap. Where the free camera right now? Blow! No. Oh, it is. Take him out. Look at the damage I'm just receiving right now. Bro, I should have another hand grenade. Bender. Oh, Leon, just tank that. Oh my gosh. The women in this game. Excuse me. This chainsaw man is insane.
You're shitting me.
How was he not dead? I shot this guy in his nose. I'm not playing this game, bro. Bro, I should have another grenade. Where's it gone? I'm not playing this game, bro. Die! Forget this game, bro. I'm not playing this game. I've got 0 bullets. I'm playing this game one more time, bro. If I die, I'm off. Frick, sit the frick down. Turn around. Okay. Let's move. Okay. Tab. There's still a grenade in that box, but right now, let's equip. Let me equip it. Okay. Ready? No, wait. Get off me.
There you go.
Beautiful. Take her out, take her out. Oh, Leon. Take him out. You got anything goody? I didn't even see that woman. We got a health pack though. How many are there of these guys? Tab. Oh my gosh, we have no more grenades. Okay, we need to run round. Okay, let's go. It's okay, Leon. No! Okay, no more sword, guys. Get the freak off me! Okay, let's go around. Bro, there's so many collectibles over there. To the freak now.
Huh?
Wait, what the freak?
La campana. Al chiudere de
Él nos invoca.
I promise you, we would have died. This is a part where I'm like, easy, we did it. We would have died. Thank God. Is that a friend? It has to be a friend. Wait.
Que servir.
These guys were tanking bullets to the face. It stuns them.
Poderoso.
It stuns them. You shoot them in the face, and they don't die. Where they go, into a church? Oh, they're demonic. Yeah, demonic church, obviously. Yeah, I see that. Cool. Makes sense. Close the door behind you, please. Alright, cool, Leon. Let's just open it, throw like 3 grenades. Because obviously one grenade's gonna stun them. The second one should kill them. The third one will just make sure. You know what I'm saying? Oh, yep, I'm in the video for this one.
Where's everyone going? Bingo?
Ah, this game is so demonic. How are they doing that to freaking... What is that meant to be, like a demonic cross or something? Wait, was that the end of the game? I mean, there's a demo. Yo, that's the end, guys. That's the end. Well, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and if you want to see more Resident Evil games, you know what to do. See you legends in the next video. Check out my TikTok at NotRoyalty, because someone took my real name, so now it's got Not Royalty. See you guys in the next video. Adios.